But for right now, I really need to get something to eat. I realized I haven't eaten anything yet, so we will reconvene on that after lunch. Alright, so these are the Hornblasters Shocker XL horns. All 4 of them. They are plastic. You'll have to excuse the noise. The neighbor is weed whacking over there. Why? I don't know. But what I think I'm going to do is this bracket, bracket, I made for the Datsun is supposed to fit under the hood. Alright. There it goes. Jesus. But I'm thinking of cutting it here and taking this horn and this horn together. I'm going to put the longer ones, I think, on this side. I'm thinking of taking the shorter ones and putting them over here. Well, hold on. So that doesn't really fit too well over there, but if we move it over, that one's always been loose its entire life. It'll fit in there lengthwise the way I want it, which would be this kind of like here. So that we will figure out. And I got, let's see here. There's also that horn. I don't know what I'm doing with that yet. That's just been something I've had for a while. So let's go here. I have, is that it? So here's all the 1/2-inch line, the compressor. Did I not grab? Ah, there we go. Whew. Okay. This is all the 1/4-inch line, which is, as we can see here, if this will turn, come on. It's what's attached. Wait. Shit. Well, okay, that's smaller. Crap. Well, let's figure this out together, guys. Alright, so... No, I just...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
All this line, I think is 5/16. It's bigger than a 1/4, I know that much. But now, this way for the light. So those have to stay together, which means the only place I'm going to be able to put them is in here. So it's always something. Alright, so these are where the horns are gonna sit. That's the only place I can really put them because they've got to all stay together. But we got the steering wheel on. I think I said this already. Alex decided to come by and say hi. Come on, pan up. There we go. But we are gonna... Oh, thing I know I didn't show. I have the air tank in. That's where it's gonna sit. The regulator. The airline will run. I want to put it under that here. But I can't get that damn last screw. It's all straight rounded out, but yeah. It'll go up through the hole here. Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it? Where the hood release goes. There. It's hard to work with this thing sometimes. But then I just gotta run wires for the air compressor, which, as you can tell from how fucking rusty this thing is, everybody, I've had this for a while. But it's gotta go directly into the air compressor. And it'll sit and go in that hole right there. So it'll sit somewhere in here, bolted to the, not really a floor. And then this we're gonna put into a relay. This will just ground out somewhere. And then we gotta run wires all the way up here to the Optima that came with this thing. And I am not gonna wrap it in painter's tape, because I actually have, now this is what I was looking for before. It's a wire, I forget the name of it, but it's protective plastic for wiring. So we got that. And then we got a 40 amp breaker, which is what is recommended for the compressor. And then a 5-pin relay. I didn't really need 5 pins, but I have it. Let's get started.
One eternity later.
No! Sorry I didn't record much. We moved outside. See, people are here now. But got the train horns hooked up. I just have to hook up the solenoid. We got this cable goes to that 40 amp breaker, and that runs down through there, but it runs up down here, and then a relay there, and then it goes to the compressor, which is plugged into the tank, and shit, I gotta run the switch power to the pressure switch over there. That. So, gotta do that. I realized I just hooked it up wrong, but call it hooking it up for a test. Well, that's the last thing you gotta do, and then I have to run the power to the solenoid here. These wires, this is a solenoid you get from the Hornblasters kit, the big old beefy thing, 1/2 inch. And that's where it split these for. And it's loud as shit, but I gotta run the power to the pressure switch and then that wire over there. And then what I'm gonna do is I have a little button that I can put in the steering wheel. I think we're gonna drill a hole here, and then I'll have it as a horn button, like a trans brake, and then wrap the wire around here a bunch of times, like a trans brake. Run it through the firewall, run it to the solenoid, and then we should be good to go. And then it's to the O'Reilly meet. But I don't have a tripod, as stated, so it's kind of hard to record and work at the same time, but I'll get back to it.
And that's about it. As you can tell from this picture I took while driving, this is about the sketchiest idea I had, running the wire that way. It caught up a few times, it broke the switch. I mean, just look at it. Just look at this, right? Like, it's already bad enough I got a 10-inch steering wheel, and then I decide to put the horn button there. Like, all the wire coil did not help at all. So, I'm gonna redo it whenever I get back into town. So, as always, thanks for watching. It means a lot. Gonna try to update more on the truck when I get back, and hopefully make a Yugo video if we can. It stays at Froman's shop right now, and if he's not there, I can't work on it. So that is why there has not been an update video for the Yugo for everybody asking. So, almost forgot, at the end of August, I will be in Colorado at APC Outdoor for their Chernobyl 6 event for Airsoft. So, hope you guys are looking forward to that Airsoft video, because I am going to record my time there. Possibly not the night game, because I'm not entirely sure how well that will record. Nevertheless, see y'all next time.
Bye, have a great time.